Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, David.
How do you spell your name?
S-A-R-A-H. How about yours?
D-A-V-I-D.
That's easy to spell.
Thanks. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like it. Do you like yours?
Yes, I think it's simple and strong.
Do people ever call you by a nickname?
Yes, some friends call me Dave. Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my family calls me Sarah.
That's cute. Do you use it at school or work?
No, only at home.
I see. Do you like when people call you Sarah or Sar?
I prefer Sarah outside, but Sarah feels warm at home.
Makes sense. I like both names.
Thank you, David. I like your name too.